Hello there. My name is Tristan, and I'm here to welcome you to Nova, a collaboration and productivity platform unlike any other on the market today. Nova not only includes all the tools you need for collaboration, such as whiteboards, questionnaires, training sessions, tasks, and documents, but most importantly allows you to organize work by goals, people, and deadlines, which are designed to help you save time, manage multiple stakeholders, and track progress automatically. So let me give you a quick walkthrough. At Nova, work can be organized by spaces, projects, and sessions. Check out the menu on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the spaces you're a part of, typically organized by client, team, or other group-based structure. Inside each of these spaces, you'll be able to create and organize your individual projects. Projects can be used for multiple purposes, from organizing meetings, managing a new product initiative, developing a new business strategy, or even a new client. When you open a project, you can start by adding things like whiteboards, documents, tasks, or other things like feedback sessions or surveys. Or you can choose an existing tool or template, just like this. These individual tasks or actions are known as sessions and are used to organize the work needed to complete a project. Any project, product, strategy, or even client work has an objective, often a due date, and a plan with a few steps and milestones to get there. Deadlines are essential to proper project management, and as such, each milestone has the ability to add deadlines. Easily add start and due dates to that brainstorming session, business canvas, or even to the doc where your team or client needs to write a proposal. Now, once you've assigned team members to their milestones or tasks, they'll have a clear picture of what they're responsible for and when it's due. As things get done and team members and clients participate, you can track progress, how knowledge is being shared, and how decisions are being made in real time. Go to your to-do list and keep your work organized without having to use multiple platforms or trying to remember where things are. These are just a few of the things you can do to work together effectively and scale. As always, follow us for additional tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing Nova.